Hi, kindergartners! Today we are going to just review all of the letter names, pictures, and sounds in order. That way you can show the grown-up that's helping you how well you know the names, pictures, and sounds, and they can hear what all of the pictures are and what all of the sounds are. So this will be a good review for you and for them. And we're just going to go in order. Another time we'll do it with the cards that I have at my house. I brought them to my house so that I could do them with you, but not today. Let's just focus on the letters. Here we go. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, L. M, man, M. N, nut, N. O, octopus, ah. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, qua. R, rat, S, snake, S. T, top, T. U, up, V, van, V. W, wind, W. X, fox, X. Y, yellow, Y. Z, zebra, Z. W, H, whistle, W. C, H, chin, Ch. S, H, ship, Sh. T, H, thumb, Th. C, K, sock,